Hey guys, welcome to my new channel. We're going to call this one JT Western Hunter. I just recently, as in like 2 weeks ago, went and purchased a 2022 Jeep Gladiator Mojave. Last couple of years I've went out west elk hunting and was in a Wrangler. Decided to trade it in and get this Gladiator to build to hopefully the ultimate Western hunting rig. So what I went out and got was a brand new 2022 Gladiator Mojave 6-speed manual with a tow package, cold weather group, a few other things, which we'll go through this channel. But what my plan is with this channel is to do a bunch of modifications of this, build it to exactly what I'm wanting and what I believe will be the best possible way to do it for the sole intention of taking it out west hunting. I've got a bunch of stuff planned for this thing. Thought I'd take you guys along with me on the way, show you a bunch of installation videos, a bunch of review videos, and maybe give you a few ideas for something that you want to do for yours, and hopefully you guys can give me the same and give me some ideas to do this that I might not think of. So let me get out of the vehicle here in just a second, and I will show you an exterior view of it. It's the granite crystal metallic exterior with the black leather interior, and of course the orange accents and stuff that the Mojave comes with, which most of you probably already know. But let me hop out of the vehicle and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so here we are on the exterior of the vehicle. You know, it is fresh off the lot. It had 100 miles on it whenever I picked it up. I had to drive about 3 hours to pick this thing up and find a dealership that had one that was actually a 6-speed manual. But there's a lot to be done to this thing to get it to where I want to. So should be a lot of installation videos, review videos coming. And as soon as I start getting things done, I will get some videos posted up, take you guys along, show you what I've done, maybe give you some ideas, and hope to hear from you. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you'd like to see, and we'll go from there. Thank you.